Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about vitamins. So, vitamins are the organic substance. This is organic substance. Organic substance means it has a carbon. It has a carbon, but it's very important. Carbon present, these are the vitamins or the organic substances in the body. Very essential, means very important for the body. Vitamins will play major role in the body and it is very essential. If vitamins not present in the body, then it will lead to severe health issues. So vitamins are the very important and essential for the body. What are the types of the vitamins? First one is fat soluble vitamins. This is first fat soluble vitamins, and then next second one is water soluble vitamins. What are the fat soluble vitamins and what are the water soluble vitamins? First fat soluble vitamins are what? A, D, E, K. A, D, E, K are fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are C, vitamin C, and also all B. All B vitamins means B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, that like 6 and B12, all B9, all these all by B vitamins will be considered in water soluble vitamins. So fat soluble vitamins present where it present exactly? Fat soluble vitamins present in fatty tissue. Fat means fatty tissue. Water means water. So fatty tissue, fatty tissue, liver, all liver. So in fatty tissues and in liver, this fat soluble vitamins are stored, means reserved, means what? Stored in the body. So whenever it's required, if we require vitamin A for functioning in for particular way, so this liver, whatever stored in the liver and in the fatty tissues, these vitamins will help. Whenever this required, either A, D, E, K will be utilized from fatty tissues and the liver. So these are the fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are stored, as I told you. Fat soluble vitamins are present in fatty tissue, liver, and this will be stored. Fat soluble vitamins means, especially you have to remember, storage. It will be stored. But water soluble vitamins are not stored. This is very important, you have to consider. This will not be stored, means it's our body cannot store the water soluble vitamins because of water. Water generally leaves our body, like water will be leaving our body either in the form of urine or in the form of like stools, and all water will be leaving from our body. So water soluble vitamins mostly will not be stored, and it will be whenever we will consume, that will leave through urine and some other way. It will be leaved through urine. So water soluble vitamins is very essential. It is important to consume on daily basis. The water soluble vitamin should be supplemented on daily basis, means we have to check and in the form of the diet whether this water soluble vitamins present in our body or not, because fat soluble vitamins are already stored in the liver. So we have sufficient enough of vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins will be there in the liver and fatty tissues. So this will be stored, so this much might not be required, but water soluble vitamins are required in the body continuously, like every day, as a supplement, because these are not stored vitamins. So overall the summary is vitamins, these are the organic essential part in the body. Vitamins have carbon, and these are, if there is any problem in the vitamin, then if we are not having enough supply of vitamins, then that will lead to some certain kind of health issue. If suppose vitamin A is not present, then vitamin A related problems you will get. C, if not, C related problem you will get, like that. Everything have its own, every vitamin have its own speciality. And then fat soluble, there are two types of vitamins overall: fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins. So fat soluble vitamins are stored, which is in the mainly in the fatty tissues and the liver. Whether water soluble vitamins are not stored, and it will be leaving as a like a water through in the form of urine. So fat soluble vitamins are what? A, D, E, K. A, D, E, K. And water soluble vitamins are vitamin C and all the B vitamins. So vitamins are very important for the body. In the next video, I will be telling about each vitamin and what is the basic importance of the each vitamin. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and their importance and their important, and also I will be mentioning about the in which diet what vitamin will be available. Maintain such vitamins in our body which is essential for the body. If you like my video and for the more updates, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like, please share also with your family and friends, and you please post a comment also in the comment section below and ask a question or any related queries you can ask, so that I'll be replying in the next video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.